This is the Tecware Veil87, an 87 keys keyboard which is commonly known as the 10 killers keyboard. The one with me here is of a semi-transparent black plastic enclosure that retails at RM245, while there is also a white colored model that retails at RM239. The plate material seems to be of aluminum, and the build quality of the Veil87 is solid as the unit itself has a lot of heft on it. At the bottom are placed the center position USB port, the Windows and Mac switch, and the kickstand that supports two angles, which I really appreciate. There is a ridge where you can route the cable to exit the direction you want, for example towards the side of the keyboard. What's neat about the Veil87 is that it has south-facing switches, and this helps a lot when it comes to compatibility with Cherry Profile's keycaps, so they do not conflict when you have it in place. And the Veil87's RGB LED shines bright, with the transitions being very smooth. Now before we move on, there are three things you need to know when I review keyboard related products. First is that I review stock versions. I do not cover mods, as stock versions are what people get and that's what they want to know about. Second thing is that mods can be lengthy. It depends on one's preference, tolerance, and skill level, and how much effort are you willing to put to get this thing that sounds not right to you to as close as possible to what you find right. And lastly, I do not believe in sound tests as the variables are too many. The materials of the subject at hand, the environment, the recording equipment, the delivery medium, the output equipment, the listener's ears. There's just so many variables. However, I will still do it anyway, and I will provide details on screen. I'm using the Gateron Yellow Pro switches for this build, and my keycap of choice is the Glorious GPBT. The sound profile is in between clacky and talky, basically neither high pitch nor low pitch. What I'm most pleased about the Veil87 is the stabilizers, of which all of them felt good. The one with me here has a faint rattle on spacebar. I didn't even notice it until much later. This, however, is something the average user will not pick up, so it's a good job by Tecware, as I've experienced other keyboards at similar price point that has very prominent stabilizer issue. Anyway, for those who are interested, here is a sound test. As for the software, I'm unable to test it because the link on the Veil87's page linked me to Veil80's drivers. There's nothing I can do thanks to the poor job done by Tecware on this aspect. Well, that's it for the Tecware Veil87. The black colored semi-see-through one over here retails at RM245 without the keycaps and switches, of course, while the white one retails at RM239. Either way, you can't go wrong with them because they are good stuff. Solid board, love everything out of the box as it is, and if you are an enthusiast that's into tuning, you can make it a little bit better. So overall, good stuff from Tecware. That's all for this video. If you like more keyboard related content, I'll have some more coming. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.